Most people fry eggs the wrong way. Hello everyone. Can you believe it? It's the same egg, but just by changing the method, your everyday egg dish can be tastier, lighter on the stomach, and much healthier. Many people fry eggs every day without realizing that this habit is making them less tasty. Today, I'll show you a different way to make eggs, no oil, no fuss, but it'll make you want to ditch your old frying method after watching this video. Now, let's get started. First, we'll start by selecting eggs, but in a very simple way that anyone can do. You don't need any experience, nor do you need any fancy tools. All you need is the flashlight on your phone, or a strong light source. Turn on the flashlight. Place your phone face down on the table, then gently place the egg on the light source. As the light passes through the eggshell, you can clearly see inside to check its freshness in just a few seconds. Fresh eggs usually have a yolk in the center, thick and even white, and almost no large air pockets. Old eggs will have a flattened yolk that moves easily, thin, runny white, and a large air pocket at the top. This method helps you select the best eggs without having to crack them into a bowl. Next, prepare a clean bowl, then add about 1 liter of water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and stir well. Gently place the eggs in the bowl. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, along with a few slices of fresh lemon. Use your hands to gently rotate or shake the eggs to clean off any dust and thin film adhering to the outside of the shell. Then, soak the eggs in the lemon water for about 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the natural acid in the lemon to safely disinfect them. Soaking is complete. Now, rinse each egg under running water to remove any dirt, washing them one by one until finished. Then, place the eggs on a plate to drain. Everyone has a different way of selecting and washing eggs. What method do you usually use? Share it with everyone so they can learn too. Prepare the right amount of eggs for your family's needs. Here, I use 5 eggs. Add a teaspoon of cooking oil to each bowl and coat the sides evenly. Crack them open and place them in small bowls. This method helps the eggs cook more evenly, retain their shape, and makes them very easy to remove after steaming. Place them all on a steamer basket. Next, bring a pot of water to a full boil. Then place the steamer over it. When the steam is rising evenly and steadily, gently place the bowls of eggs into the steamer, arranging them neatly so that the steaming process is even and they don't get knocked around. Then, cover and steam for about 15 minutes. While waiting for the eggs to cool, prepare the vegetables and seasonings. 2 carrots. Peel, wash and slice diagonally or into flowers as desired. Carrots are excellent for health due to their high content of beta-carotene, vitamins A and C, and fiber. Eating carrots improves eyesight, boosts the immune system, beautifies the skin, and aids digestion effectively. Additionally, carrots help lower cholesterol, support heart health, prevent certain types of cancer, and assist in weight management due to their low-calorie content. Cauliflower. Cut into bite-sized florets, wash thoroughly, drain. Cauliflower also has many other benefits, such as helping to cleanse the body and supporting liver detoxification thanks to its sulforaphane compound content. It helps balance blood sugar levels, making it suitable for diabetics, while also improving memory and brain function. In addition, cauliflower helps beautify the skin, slows down aging, and supports the reduction of inflammation in the body. 3. Purple onion. Peel, slice thinly. Chopped coriander. Two small chilies. Leave whole for mild heat, or slice if you prefer more spice. It's wonderful to connect with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. By now, the eggs have cooled down a bit, so they can be easily removed from the bowl. Just run a spatula lightly around the edge of the bowl, press gently, and the eggs will pop out, retaining their beautiful shape. Just run a spatula lightly around the edge of the bowl, press gently, and the eggs will pop out, retaining their beautiful shape. Now, heat a frying pan or non-stick pan, add the butter and melt it. Then add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to make the dish more fragrant. When the oil is hot, add the garlic and fry until slightly golden. Then add the onion and stir-fry until soft and translucent. When the onions are ready, add the carrots and stir-fry briefly. When the carrots begin to soften, add the broccoli and stir-fry a little more. Then, add about 200 milliliters of water, or enough to cook the vegetables. Cover, and cook briefly so that the vegetables remain crisp. After about 5 minutes, when the vegetables are about 70% cooked, begin seasoning with half a teaspoon of salt, seafood seasoning powder, pepper, stir well to combine the seasonings. Next, add the chilies. Then add a tablespoon of corn flour mixed with a little water, stirring well to thicken the sauce. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. Finally, add the steamed eggs to the pan. This step is entirely optional. If you don't want to cook them again, simply pour the sauce over the eggs. Personally, I like to cook it for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, so that the seasoning permeates the eggs evenly, as the eggs are already cooked and do not need to be cooked for long. Coriander. When everything is done, turn off the heat and serve on a plate. I call this dish steamed egg kapke. The eggs are steamed beforehand, so they look very attractive, combined with vegetables and a fragrant sauce. Compared to traditional cupcake, which usually uses meat and fried eggs, this version is lighter, lower in fat, higher in vegetables, and very suitable for a healthy diet or weight loss. The dish has an appealing aroma, is not difficult to make, and is particularly novel. Steamed eggs have a perfectly tender texture, neither crumbly nor dry like regular boiled eggs. Thanks to being cooked with steam, the eggs retain a smooth and slightly springy texture, making them very pleasant to eat. Although the main ingredient is egg, there is absolutely no fishy smell. Instead, the seasoning is evenly absorbed, rich and well-balanced. A simple flavor that is very appealing and truly worth trying. So, from just a few familiar eggs, we've created a lighter, less greasy dish that's still rich and delicious. Sometimes, just a small change in how you cook can make your daily meals feel fresh and enjoyable. Thank you for taking the time to watch until the end of the video. If you find this method useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to give me more motivation to share simple, healthy, and easy-to-apply recipes for everyday life.